there, TikTok? This is my morning waterfall. Check this out. My day's starting off good. How's yours? Y'all ready to walk under a waterfall? Let's do it. This is so awesome. Man, I haven't even had my coffee yet. Ever wake yourself up with a waterfall? It's my first time and my hands are frozen because it's 37 degrees. Well, have a good day. I'm off to chase more waterfalls. TLC told you not to do it, but I'm going to be chasing them all day. Anyway, have a good day. Be kind. Go find a waterfall or a puddle. I am so thrilled. This is better than coffee.